Alright, so here we are in the very first week of Visual Frameworks. Actually, the second week because of Thanksgiving. My name is Kenneth Stoddard, and so what we want to do today is kind of go over how week 1 went. And so let's go ahead and go through this. Problems encountered. Well, for me, probably I encountered the most problems with forms. I'm actually pretty familiar with most HTML and CSS, but haven't really used forms too often other than, something right out of the box. And so I did have some trouble with that. I guess we can see that right over here. Add item HTML. And so we can look down here. This is probably not the best way to do it. However, it did turn out okay. We can see that right here with the note bucket to-do app. And so this is just a basic form. Go through here, enter your information, note, to-do, and put in a start date and so forth and so on. And rate it, and then of course leave a note. But at any rate, the form elements were probably gave me the most trouble. And so anyway, next question here is things you discovered. One of the things that I particularly enjoyed was a meta tag. Let's see here if I can find it. The viewport tag. You can see that right here. And actually, this browser window is actually set up to move or flow with the size of the window or the device. And so we could actually, fill the screen or whatever. I did pull it up on my iOS devices, and it does work correctly. So right now it's kind of ugly like this, but on a mobile device it actually looks pretty good. So the meta tags there, that was pretty helpful. And let's see here, what else do we have? How this activity fits. I guess I have to say that it fits in that it gives us something to use. In SDI, we learned a lot about theory, and so now we kind of have more or less meat and maybe the bones to put together what we learned in SDI. And then finally, how this activity builds. Well, I see it as laying the foundation for everything else that we do. And so right now we're learning how to tie the visual elements of an HTML document with the presentational and the behavioral elements. And so I can see that coming in use later on. Well, thank you, and have a good day.